na songo
Ha.
na
And the program for today?
Yes,
Yeah.
the programs today.
Yeah. Village.
Yeah, it's very, very fun.
You are like Phantom.
What's Phantom?
One time you are in Suba, the next minute you are in Natobi,
Yes.
and next hour you are in Namboa Lumbua.
Here in Banwalebu, it's just like Subanasori corridor.
Why the movement, they may say why?
Because the boat already every time going.
Yeah.
Going in the morning,
Yeah.
going in the night, going in the afternoon.
Right.
Okay, the first time that you told us, the plan was for you to go to the kids in Vonolevu, the boys. Tsineabu and Lawa are supposed to go to Kandabu. And what changed?
The change is this, because we want to go as a whole family all together.
Right.
Most of the time we just going only the two boys
Yeah.
and myself. Sometime the two boys only.
Yeah.
But now I want my whole family together and visit
So
mom
it's
and
you
dad.
who came up with the idea.
Yeah, I want everybody to be there.
Right.
Because we want to share story as a family. We don't want anyone to miss behind.
Misbehave you.
Will not misbehave. So I want to take them to the bush, to the farm,
Yeah.
go and see how we plant.
Yeah.
This is how we are being raising up in
Yes.
this
Right.
village, in this area.
Right.
So we walk along 5 kilometers away from the village.
Yeah.
So we go there, we send water.
The hardship they face every day.
Yeah, the hardship they face every
Dira
day.
Sar,
I
wala
want
now.
to show them
Yeah.
how
The village life.
The village life, how I was being raised.
Right.
Yeah.
So that they can know this how we...
And it will also encourage them.
Yeah.
Encourage them that this is where Daddy grew up.
You
Yeah.
take them to
This
the bush.
is where Daddy
I
fished.
take them to the bush.
You put them the tree that you climb.
I show them everything.
I think you must have forgotten. You must tell the boys.
Yeah.
This is where Tarzan live.
I said, live from Makili. I went there, we going and do the kilvet.
Yeah.
I show them how to kilvet in the river.
Oh,
Rio.
okay.
In Roka.
Right.
Good morning to Are Tamay Grace.
Right.
Are Taria. And not forgetting City Benturang or Tutuango.
Right.
We went all we go and Samakiang there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And everything. They very I like the way they performing, the boys.
Yeah.
Especially because they stay in urban here.
Yeah.
When they go there, they like.
Yeah.
They have their own knife. They very too.
Why don't we talk about Matariko? Okay. All right. To those who don't know, village life, plenty plants are similar.
Yeah.
Doon na plan ko na bundi chaya na bataki na bundi.
Ha.
According to your knowledge,
Right.
what's the difference between a banana tree and reda yani?
The leaves.
Right, go reda.
The leaves.
Yeah.
The leaves and the natolona.
The
Yeah.
stem, yeah.
Yeah, natolona pandi they take one.
Yeah.
They baka mererai kanda mutu
Right.
damu
Yeah.
and depend too on which breed they are.
Right.
Tiguna bundi China leka.
Yeah.
Right.
The bundi you hardly see any bundi leka.
Yeah.
And also the nabuana.
Right.
The China.
Yeah.
Tiguna buana kwa kaleleka.
Right.
Yendo baka mekaro tu
Yeah.
The bundi okoye mama shira binaka.
Right.
But they shape taki Buddha.
Right.
Okay.
Sa kalau kami kena na boso biti kasih lagi pagka bundi.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
And another thing, they're different from pata.
Right.
Pata baba ko wala na kulina, yung balabu.
Yeah.
Right.
Don't know binaka.
Balabu
To those who don't know the difference between a bundi tree and a banana tree, ni already wrote to ni tumbu tu Okay.
And the middle leaves.
Antenna.
Na antenna.
Yeah.
The antenna ron din tu, on rani China ndong balabu.
Yeah.
Oh.
O bundi leka Buddha balilay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Yeah,
Kaya
what?
may kena antenna ng karali buto ka na rake.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. The difference, right, looking from afar, the boys who come from town, when you see the leaves, can you tell the difference between sugarcane and anduruka?
Yeah, they can.
Yes.
Gori.
They are very
Yeah.
look like similar.
Yeah.
Yes.
They are very look like similar.
Right.
But first of all, you can see that between them, the stem.
Yeah.
The stem,
Yeah.
Depending on the which sugarcane is.
Right.
Tigor na sugarcane katolole lebu.
Yeah.
The one in the area where Ganakato is awe.
Yes.
Na pwede kina musundabu.
Yeah.
They look similarity as Anduruka.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mataro katolalay.
Right.
Na kinanggolo talenga.
Yeah.
They are very close.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a different from the one in the bush kwa kanranran.
Yeah.
Kwa katololibu.
Right.
They are different things is there.
As what,
Especially the fan.
Yeah.
The fan and the water.
Right, Gori.
Iyo, na begitu na lemaru. Si mada na bamba undi si torro.
Right.
Na lemaru,
Yeah. Lemadu.
Lemadu korena. Anda bilang kaji dah tinju. Anda bilang ka. Lawata they are very.
Ota.
Nawata.
Iya.
Nawata kon tolo kana.
Iya.
Ebe awaki bagalay na.
Stem.
Nanrau no ko lang be bamba.
Iya.
Ko meron do.
Iya.
Ebe awaki. Lemaru they are very close, but they look like the same, but the other thing.
Iya.
May nabi awaki ya.
Iya.
Ele be awaki talang abalay ko nanrau no kon tolo yung dali one ruda.
Iya.
Iya. That's the difference.
The difference. But all time kaya baka muna kalile bumay daki.
Yeah.
Lemaru no they are very abroad, they spread around.
Yeah.
Esi nindo na kena undu daki mekali.
Dono babinak. Ya bikin mereka so ka libu-libu sih nangani na koro.
Right.
And I'm okay. Tell us about the bamboo gun.
Zambe bukan.
How do the boys go about and bring the bamboo gun from the bamboo area? Yeah.
Now we collect mbembu too.
Yeah.
For our mendakainiwai.
Right.
Right.
For that we go to the ndakainiwai.
Yeah.
Okay.
The watagan.
Right.
The watagan from the bamboo.
Oi.
So we have to cut one bamboo.
Yes.
One bamboo. Musumai.
Yeah.
You put kona punwa daw kenangolo baka kena isong mayra.
Right.
Yeah.
Cut it properly that side and cut it from before the ngolo another ngolo.
Yeah.
Pango mengara.
So open close.
Yeah, open close.
Right.
Right.
Open close. You put a nail in front of the close one
Okay.
Right.
so that the water can go there.
Right.
Right.
Okay,
Small
you-
opening.
Yeah, opening.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Right. So,
So
you take a hole from the
you
nail.
take that the one with the opening and close.
Yeah.
You take and upside down.
Yeah.
Membuli kena kaning ngari flip-flop.
Right.
Flip-flop, the old flip-flop.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You put it there and you shape it, you draw,
Yeah.
then cut it. Then you put it in another stick.
Yeah.
Okay.
That stick you wako.
Oi.
Wako.
Yeah.
Then you insert into that open close.
Yes.
From there, you close.
Yeah.
Then you put into the water. Nangon kon remekin and remay na
Like a syringe.
Like a syringe.
Yeah, syringe.
Yeah.
Right. Like the syringe. Then the sound like this. Yeah. The sound will like that.
Sound like what?
Like this. Men sandre ta kami makali syringe.
Yeah.
Ni kale bu.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then from there.
Yeah.
Then from there then susui.
Yeah.
Right.
Ni onga rongo tanga ni rongo mena kaya sa kilasa nga sa baro usingo titi.
Yeah.
Iyo.
So the small kids will be chasing after you.
Yeah,
Eh?
now they're collecting in the village now.
Yeah.
Because they're
Okay.
looking forward for the Baktawasi. And my children,
Yeah.
most of the Tabale, they are very big like me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oi.
So it will be tough for them.
One day we should find one bamboo plant. We video.
Yeah.
We shoot a video of how to make a
Dinasara.
bamboo gun.
Okay, I have one idea.
That's one idea.
After 9 o'clock when we knock off, you call the boy. See,
Right.
don't use the tangao.
Yeah.
Right.
Use the whole bitu.
Ito lang mo na makachirachio. Andur ni mata-mata.
At the body lave.
Yeah, thank you very much for the student up there. Everyone will be enjoying themselves.
The can bitu.
The Kaimbitu.
Yeah.
Oh, the Kaimbitu is very fun. But
Yeah.
every time I heard a story about the Kaimbitu, I used to remember too, Mike.
Yeah.
Right.
The first time, because we normally use this every time because everything we do
Yeah.
need money to buy from the shop.
Yeah.
Now, when we use the Kaimbitu, no money, only buy kerosene.
Yeah.
Yes.
Eh? But it's very, very dangerous.
Dangerous,
Eh?
yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes it hurts. Nangon boy dor tu na bod ni matanda.
Right.
Yeah, because of the flammable from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Tell us about it. They go to the bamboo.
The
plant.
bamboo kana the bamboo we have to bring the bamboo kana mbitu batu.
Bitu batu yeah.
The hard mbitu.
Yeah.
So from there you take it ngai bangkarata kami na loma.
How many tangao? How many tangao?
Depend on which tangao you want, eh?
Yeah.
So that can make the sound properly.
Right.
So musuka kono mona ilu mengkarabalay bakana kanin bilbili.
Right.
You put it like that, you put in front, then jaw.
Yeah.
Right.
Sulu, a cloth, a kerosene,
Yeah.
together. Ready?
Yeah. Right.
Right.
Then the sound will be forming from there.
Right. Hey, the people, the viewers,
Yeah.
they want to hear the sound of when you of the syringe.
Yeah.
They want to hear you make that sound.
Okay, last one.
Okay, when you
Yeah.
nangor sandolo kini monreta la ke
Yeah.
bateri kale.
So
Yeah.
the sound depends on how big the tangao of the mbitu is.
Yeah.
If it's small, it will give a small
Yes.
squeaky sound.
Because
Yes.
the rubber inside that
Right.
tighten that thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
That will be because the sound
Yeah.
babu nang narorong na rangi kina wait ko.
Right.
So when you ding the cylinder like this.
If it's a big one,
It's a big one.
Teka mo may naruwa dapat tika ruwa ng bong ilebo. Kami na korsari di tunon ito nangon.
oh na besar nga. Ya dolo bikin na pop gun
Kanduwa.
Na pop gun bikin no ka da bacu nga ya. Ko na bitu ka utala nga.
Right.
Libro bi mata kali bitu mina korna na bitu white, ko na bitu ndina.
Iya.
Iyo. Sora ka ba? Iyo.
Ya,
Ko na
ko na
bitu
bitu
ka ko
lalai.
ka thick wali lai.
Iya.
Kanga sakita ka bola musuka mai. Musuka roro melanga roro na sana.
Ah.
Kaya banget ko na ka uluna sa tosar meliu. What's an totale mengesongo tan na tang. O sange. Kada mo sara pak.
Sanjina.
Pop gun. Pati na ko.
Kanan.
Total ako megitono kay di ko baka na ngasaw. Ko to mur ko na chimbo.
Right.
Iya.
Sit,
Kala mo sana. Baka na bitu.
Oi.
Bukan na.
Olia.
Iya.
Olia lebih tinemo.
Iya.
Atunto ko halakan ni serkena atunto ko usah ambis di bialus. Boleh ano ko ni fan ko to na koro.
Iya.
Napunto se kakele ba
Di nasar. Reki mni na ka drasar sar sumai.
Right.
Dapat boten dapat na kor dapat na ngona intang ngone kina.
Dinasara.
Ko bibi kita sustu na kor.
So off to ko kanta na local.
Iya.
Ah!
Lili ka mo na sanga mong kamut siya sar.
Wele.
Ana kaila.
Arna yanra Lauren Clear California salala tu yani.
Bago na di ba kaya
Dawir
bito
tina
kani.
koro bundal kanang bulin yung gito buli bor.
Right.
Iya. Di nasar.
Ko pa kami daw tools down to ber na kanta mena koro.
Di nasar. Iya, sama kan bilang juga nunggu kiana marutakin na tawasin yang baki sa karunio church non da live er matari kuwa er bude out palang show kita sa pagabri bilang kapag lebu weekend ni andun dua kaya kalau ni mani waso sa matak sa kiana singa juga di kuwa na pagabri ni bilang kaya pagabri bilang lebu dan muni do wito kari buli mai ada bi matak me pakari kuwa kita sa pagabri ni bilang kari weekend ni era